Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a flock of colorful birds. They were known as the happy birds because they were always cheerful and content. They spent their days singing, playing, and enjoying the beauty of nature. One day, a group of pigs arrived in the forest. These pigs were not ordinary pigs. They were mischievous and greedy. They started to build strange contraptions and structures in the forest, which puzzled the happy birds. As days passed, the pigs began stealing the eggs of the happy birds, which made them furious. The once cheerful birds became angry and decided to take action. They planned to use a giant slingshot to launch themselves at the pigs' structures and retrieve their eggs. The birds worked together, using their unique abilities to launch themselves at the pigs' structures. Some were small and fast, while others were large and strong. Each bird had a special skill that helped in destroying the pigs' defenses. After many attempts, the happy birds finally succeeded in retrieving their eggs and driving away the pigs. The forest was peaceful once again, and the birds were happy. They realized that by working together and using their unique talents, they could overcome any challenge. From then on, they were known as the angry birds, not because they were always angry, but because they stood up against injustice and worked together to protect their home. As the angry birds celebrated their victory, they realized that their adventure had only just begun. The pigs, determined to get revenge, returned with even more elaborate structures and cunning plans. The angry birds knew they had to up their game. They decided to explore new territories and seek help from other animals in the forest. Along the way, they encountered wise owls, swift squirrels, and even a friendly bear who all joined forces with them. With their new friends by their side, the angry birds faced increasingly difficult challenges. The pigs had constructed fortified castles, and their defenses were stronger than ever. But the angry birds were determined and used their skills and teamwork to overcome each obstacle. As they journeyed through the forest, and the angry birds learned valuable lessons about friendship, courage, and perseverance. They discovered that by working together and embracing their differences, they could achieve anything. In the end, the angry birds defeated the pigs once and for all, restoring peace to the forest. They became legends, their story passed down from generation to generation as a reminder of the power of unity and determination. And so, the angry birds continued their adventures, always ready to face new challenges with a smile and a slingshot.